Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigerian, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to fund your Alipay TourPass and how you can buy direct from pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to watch step by step and taking in this video and see how you can get it done. If you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp, you can get started with the number right here. If you would like to connect with me for importation related business, you can decide to join my paid training if you have interest. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started and see how you fund your Alipay TourPass and how you buy on pinduoduo app. So let's get started. So right here, I will head over to my Alipay. Okay, this is my Alipay right here. So I'm going to fund this account. That's the first thing I'm going to show you guys. All right, guys. So the next thing you have to do is to look for TourPass. Click on TourPass right here. So I'm going to click on that. All right guys, so you can see my current balance right here. This is my current balance. So for me to add fund to this account, just click on top up. That's how to fund your TourPass. So just click on top up. So when you click on top up, it opens up where you need to add fund. Right here, so I'm going to top up with just 100 RMB, and I'm using this card right here. So I have to tap on here to use that card. Then I have to scroll down right now and click on top up right here. You click on top up. So just click on got it. Okay, so you can see the fund has been loaded successfully. All you have to do is to click on OK. Alright guys, so you can see the current balance has been added with 100 RMB. So now let's quickly go to pinduoduo app and see how you can use the fund to pay your supplier on pinduoduo. So right here, this is pinduoduo app. Alright guys, so I want to pay for this product right here. So what you have to do, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click on here to pay for this product. So I need just one. So I need this one right here. I need this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so finally I need just one quantity, and finally I have to click here now to make payment. Have to click here now to make payment. All right, so it's open up this way. Okay, so so the last thing is that I'm going to pay with my Alipay. So make sure this is very much active. Then come down here and click on this red bar button. So click on that. So immediately you click on that, they are going to debit your account, and the payment will move successfully. So so this is just the proof that you have paid successfully. So you can easily go back to your profile on pinduoduo. Let me just go back, and you see the products in your ready to ship. So for you to access your pinduoduo app, just click on this page right here. Then it take you to your profile. So when you get to your profile, so the goods you have paid for successfully is going to be moved right here. This place, just click on that. So when you click on that, it opens up in a new page. So you can see, so this is the goods that we just made payment for. So I'm going to click on the link. Then it's open up straight up. So at this point here, you can screenshot this page and chat up with the seller. So you can screenshot. So when you screenshot the page, you just click here to chat up with the seller. And you have to send them just like that, send. So that's simple as that. You can quote this image right here, click and hold down and ask them when are they going to ship the product. So when are you going to ship? And you send it to them. So you can see the seller, they respond very fast. So I'm going to translate and see what they are trying to say. So we are the consignment, this stuff like that. And these products should be shipped within 48 hours. So that is just the meaning. So I will just send them emoji. Okay. So this is just the step you need to follow to fund your Alipay TourPass and pay your Chinese supplier. So immediately your payment is confirmed, move to goods ready to be shipped, and then you can see they respond because they are online, very much active all the time. So this is all the process you need to follow as far as pinduoduo procurement and shipping is concerned. If this is what you are intended to learn and you want to be a successful procurement agent, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. If you want to learn how you can buy it by yourself without using agent, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp. Let us talk more importation business if you have interest. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.